Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Clark in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-447hpc2, the most current version. We got you ready to go here, Clark. Toshiba regulator and tune alignment. Let's get right to it. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 50-watt slug. Let's set it 1 watt all the way down. Let's roll it all the way up here. 14. Show you average power swing. Hello, 1111. 50 bird average. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 100 watts on the money. Clark will get us all boxed up here for you, along with your Driver Extreme speaker, a Driver Extreme coax, mirror mount, antenna, a static mic, and all. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.